Hi, in today's video we want to see if LibreOffice user interface is ugly or not. So what we see here is LibreOffice 7.2.5 and these app icons are the default icons in LibreOffice, and maybe someone will tell that this looks ugly. Let's see what we can do, and let's see after that if LibreOffice is indeed ugly. We can change for the beginning the icon style. So we have here elementary icons. You can look above. Let's choose another one. So let's look at Collabora. Let's look again at elementary, the default one. This is cipher. Now we can change the toolbar icon size to be smaller or extra large if you need that size. Okay, so we can change icon style and icon size. Let's go to default one everywhere. And now let's see another thing we can do. We can change the user interface. Let's go to view, user interface, and we have the option here to change between different styles. So this is the default. Now this is tabbed. Okay, so it's like Microsoft ribbon. You can see we can navigate from here and we can choose what we want. Let's go to the next one. Single toolbar. Okay, so this is for small screens. You have one row for icons and the rest is for text. This is sidebar. You can see here the sidebar is on the right, but you can activate that even in the standard toolbar. So now we are in standard and here we can open the sidebar. So it can be opened from anywhere. This is tabbed compact. Okay, so the same like Microsoft ribbon, but with one line of icons. So it's more compact. You can see we have one row for text and one row for icons, comparing with tabbed, which have one row for text and two rows for icons. Okay, let's go now to group bar compact. So this is, let's see what we have here. We have everything grouped here in functions. So for paragraph, for inserting, review, and so on. And the last one is contextual single. So here we have a single row for toolbar, but also we have functions that activate when we click somewhere in a table or something else. Okay, now let's watch each icon set with all user interfaces. So this is elementary. This is Suport. This is cipher. This is Karasa Jaga. And this one is Collabora. Is LibreOffice ugly? You can answer that. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.